Hi, my name is Grace Branham, and I'm a registered nurse, and I go to Dr. Childers for hormone replacement pellet. I started doing this treatment for the reason of post-menopausal depression, fatigue, low sex drive, and things that you just don't get back in your 50s. I started using the hormonal replacement pellet when I was about 53, and I'm 60 now. And it takes away the fatigue and the post-menopausal depression and tiredness and low energy that women seem to get in their 50s and 60s. Before I got the pellet, I did try estrogen patches, and that was a medicine that's prescribed through your OB/GYN or a regular doctor, and they're messy and they're not as effective as the organic treatment with the pellet. The first time I got it was maybe 7 years ago, and I was in a really low place in my life, and I was recommended by a girlfriend to get it, and I thought, you know, there's no risk for not getting it, so we might as well try it. The results that I have that I experience with it is just a lot more energy, and it usually takes about 8 to 10 days before it starts working when you get a new injection, a new pellet. And you can feel the difference between when your estrogen is low and when it's high. You're just a whole lot more active, and your sexual drive is a lot more active as well. Dr. Childers and his staff has been wonderful, and I can call and say, I think my pellet's getting low, and they will say, we'll see you tomorrow. They're very prompt with appointments, and you don't have to wait. If you have any issues at all you have to do is call up, and Dr. Childers will call you back. I would recommend this treatment, especially to women that are postmenopausal, because you really will see a difference in your energy, your sex drive, and your lifestyle with this. The only thing I can say is it's worth trying. The side effects are just a little bit of soreness when they put the pellet in, and it's certainly worth it because there's no disadvantages to it.